Hi, this is going to be my amateur attempt at making a tutorial video on the masks. Hope that I can get my camera into the right place. I'll do my best. So, as you can see, I have 3 pieces of fabric, one that's cotton, 2 that are flannel. You could also use t-shirt fabric for any or all of these. This one is going to be the outside of the mask, and this one, the second layer, will be the one facing the person's face, and the other one is just filler, or you can technically do it with just 2 layers as well. These are 6.5 inches by 9.5 inches. They're going to go right sides together on top of each other. I'm also going to do 2 pieces of elastic that are 7.5 inches a piece. So I'll go ahead and cut that. I will say that this is a measurement for like an average size woman's face. I have made a few for men that are about 1 inch bigger on all those dimensions. So what I'm going to do, between the second and third layer, I'm going to place the elastic towards the top, sticking out a little bit over the seam edge, and I'm going to pin it in place. And then without twisting the elastic, I'm going to go down and do the same thing on the bottom. Pin that with a little bit sticking out, that'll make it stronger. On the other side, I'll do the same thing. Place the elastic probably about 1/2 inch or so from the top. You can have a little bit of wiggle room. It doesn't have to be very exact. And then again, go down to the other side and do the same thing. Try not to twist it. If you want, you can pin the rest of this, but I'm not going to, just to save time. The only thing I am going to do is put a pin over here on this side to remind me where to stop, because I'm going to start here, sew all the way around to here, and then I'm going to use this little space to turn this inside out. I'll take this over to my sewing machine, try to get a spot where you can see it here. Maybe this side would be better. To promise not to look at my messy sewing space here. Oh, this isn't very easy to do. Alright, so I'm going to start where I put this on this side. I'm going to go down a little bit, and I'm going to start down here and sew all the way around back to where my pin is. So I have about a couple inch hole so that I can turn it inside out. I'm going to do about 1/4 of an inch seam allowance.